Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and today we're going to do some Waffle Fry Nachos, and yes, they're as unhealthy as you'd imagine. First, we got to do the cheese sauce. To a pot, you want to add a couple of teaspoons of cornstarch. I did dissolve it in a little bit of water, about equal amounts of water. And then you want to add a cup and a half of Colby Jack cheese and 3/4 of a cup of half and half. And basically you just want to stir this around till it's all nice, melty, and gooey. And at this point, you should be heating up that fryer for those French fries. Always deep fry French fries. French fries in the oven suck. Okie dokie. Got those French fries out of the fryer. Time to season them. A little bit of salt and pepper. I always add pepper to my fries. And then just toss to coat. Alright, let's dress these motherfuckers up. Take your bag of waffle fries that you've fried to perfection, put it on a serving platter, and then dump that entire cheese sauce we made over it as evenly as possible. Then you want to add some bacon bits, about 3 strips of bacon chopped up. Add a generous dollop of crema, kind of a Mexican sour cream. Evenly apply it. Then you want to grab some green onions. Apply them, or they're also known as spring onions or scallions. Then a couple of handfuls of French's fried onions, and finally ranch dressing. And that is Waffle Fry Nachos. Done.